If you're looking to delete your Roblox account, the process isn't super simple and it's kind of hard to find, so let's walk through it together. First and foremost, you actually need to make sure you want to delete your Roblox account. This means that if you have any Robux or if you have any progress on any of your games, all of that is going to be lost as soon as your account is deleted. Before you start anything in the account deletion process, you're going to need to have a verified email address connected to your account. If you don't know what that looks like or you don't know if you have one, you can go ahead and click the little cog and then click settings, and that will take you to the account info section. Right below your phone number, it's going to have your email address as well as a little verified check mark. If yours looks like mine and you have the email address and the verified check mark, then you can start with the process. You can go ahead and use Google or any other search engine, and you're gonna want to search Roblox support. You want to make sure that the actual Roblox logo is the option that you click on. This will take you to the Roblox website where you can see a support form that you need to fill out. Another way of getting to this destination is typing roblox.com/support. And again, it's going to be the first result. Let's go ahead and walk through what this form is. This is the way you contact Roblox about any problems you may have. And it's going to ask you what device you're having this problem on. For me, since I'm on PC, I'm just going to select PC. However, you can literally use any of these. The type of help category you select is very, very important. As you can see, there are a lot of options, but the one that you must click is all the way down here. It's called Data Privacy Requests. As you can see, another little box showed up here. So what we're going to click is right to be forgotten. The description of issue is also very important. All you need to say is, I would like to delete this account. I'll let you guys take a look at this form. This is what your form should also look like. After this, we can go ahead and click continue together. And then it's most likely going to have you do a verification exercise just to make sure that your request actually goes through. We verified and it says request received. Thank you for contacting Roblox. Please check your email for a message from customer service. The email should come automatically, and this is what it looks like. It provides a lot of information about account deletion and data privacy. Once you read through this information, it's going to ask you to reply and acknowledge that you understand. To respond, I said I acknowledge these requirements and have provided the requested information. My Roblox username is VC Please Now, and I am over 13 years old. Hey guys, outfit change. So it's been a couple days since I sent that response email, and my account is actually permanently deleted. It takes them about 18 to 48 hours in order to actually process your response, but once you acknowledge that information, your account should be deleted with no problem. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please comment below if this helped you out.